Dropbox is more than just a place to store files. You can use it to sync documents, share folders, recover deleted files, manage versions, and keep your work available across devices. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the most useful Dropbox features you should know. Start by organizing your Dropbox files into folders. Create folders for projects, documents, photos, or anything else you work with regularly. Use clear names so you can find things quickly. A simple folder structure makes Dropbox much easier to manage. To add files, use the Upload option on the Dropbox website, or place files inside your Dropbox folder on your computer. Dropbox then syncs supported files with your account. Once syncing finishes, those files can be accessed from other connected devices. Sharing is another major Dropbox feature. Select a file or folder, choose Share, and enter the person's email address or create a sharing link. Depending on the available permissions, you can control whether someone can view or edit the shared content. Dropbox becomes especially useful when you connect multiple devices. Install the Dropbox app on your computer or mobile device, sign in with the same account, and let your files sync. You can then move between a Windows PC, Mac, Android phone, or iPhone without manually transferring every file. Accidentally deleted something? Don't panic. Open the Deleted Files section in Dropbox and look for the file you need. If it's still within the available recovery period for your account, select it and choose Restore. Yeah, this can save you from a lot of frustration. You can also recover an earlier version of certain files. Open the Files options and look for version history. Choose the version you want to review, then restore it when appropriate. This is especially useful when a document was changed or overwritten by mistake. To keep your Dropbox organized, regularly check your storage usage. Remove unnecessary files, review large folders, and empty deleted files when appropriate. If you're running low on space, you can also review your Dropbox plan and available storage options. Finally, protect your Dropbox account. Use a strong, unique password, enable two-step verification when available, and review connected devices and apps. Also check your shared files from time to time and remove access you no longer need. So that's the basic Dropbox toolkit. Organize your files, sync across devices, share safely, recover lost work, manage storage, and keep your account secure. Once you get comfortable with these features, Dropbox becomes a much more powerful, everyday workspace.